Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel of Pratham Test Prep. My name is Nikhil. I will be helping you in filling up the form for IIM Ranchi. You would be aware that IIM Indore has already shared the entrance exam date. The entrance exam for IIM Indore is on 14th June 2021. We don't have much time for the preparation because just after your boards you have the entrance exam for IIM Indore. IIM Ranchi has will be taking the score of SAT, which you can appear in the month of March or you can appear in the month of May. So, you would be aware that other universities like Rice, they have also already shared their entrance exam date. Either you can appear in the month of March, you can appear in the month of May or June. We are expecting few more IIM Indore IIMs will be coming up with the entrance exam dates. Likewise, IIM Rohtak is also planning to give their entrance exams for 5 years, and IIM Bodh Gaya is also doing the same thing. So, guys, start preparing yourself for the entrance exams. We don't have much time. I'm aware that you guys have your pre-boards and boards pressure, but we'll also have to consider these entrance exams as well. So let me take you to the PPT. Before that, there are some important pointers which we'll be discussing. So what we're going to do in this particular window, we'll be talking about IIM Indore, how's the university, what's the ranking and all, online application start date and the application closing date, number of seats IIM Ranchi has, selection process and the application fees and the total program fees they have. Talking about IIM Ranchi, this year 2021 only they have come up with their 5 years integrated program. They'll be giving you the degree of BBA and MBA. So total 5 years integrated program. And there are a lot of students who ask the queries that whether they can exit after 3 years or not. Yes, IIM Ranchi give you permission to exit after 3 years. You can take the BBA degree from IIM Ranchi and then you can exit and you can apply for entrance exam for different MBA programs. Likewise, you can give your CAT, ZAT, SNAP, IFT, and MAT. Different entrance exam we have for the MBA programs. About the ranking of IIM Ranchi, if you see an NIRF ranking, IIM Ranchi is on 20th position, which is a good thing. So talking about other things, online application date was started on 15th February 2021. Closing date is 30th June 2021. Seats, if you talk about the seats, in total they have 120 seats in total. If you talk about the categories, 50%, approximately 50% goes to the other categories. So if you talk about the general category, it would be approximately 60 seats. 60 seats we'll be having for the general category. About the selection process, without SAT score, IIM Ranchi will not accept any applications. You will have to appear for the SAT exam and give up the score. Just after your SAT, you will have to give the WAT, which is also called written ability test, and you will have to give the personal interview. Basis on that particular thing, you will be giving allotted a seat in IIM Ranchi. Talking about the application fees and the program fees, application fees for the general OBC, non-creamy layer, and in EWS category, the application fees is 2,000 rupees, and for SC, ST, and DAP is differently abled people. For them, it is 1,000 rupees for the application. If you talk about the overall program fees for 3 years, that would be approximately 14 lakh rupees for first 3 years, which do not include your hostel charges. For hostel and mess, you'll have to pay separately. That's an additional cost. And for MBA, it depends at that time, whatever fees they'll be having at the time of MBA, they'll let you know at that time only. So I'll be also talking about general FAQs because this year only IIM Ranchi has given their entrance exam dates they launched. So there will be different queries we people receive from our students and from outside Pratham also. So I'll be talking about that as well. So talking about the first thing, which stream in 12th can apply for IIM Ranchi? There's no limitations for that. You can any stream, any student from any stream can apply in IPM program. There's no limitation as such. For the age as well, there's no age limit as such. Any student can apply for IPM Ranchi program. Now, talking about the score you should get in your 10th and 12th standard, if you talk about the minimum eligibility criteria for IIM Ranchi, 60% you should get in 10th and your 12th standard. If you talk about the SC, ST, and PWD category, that is 55%. They will take admission. Now, the next thing is there any way to get into IIM Ranchi? No, you will have to appear for the SAT exam. Without SAT exam, you cannot appear for the IIM Ranchi. The dates which we can keep for the entrance exam, that is 13th March for the SAT and 8th May, because I think in the month of June only they'll be having your that particular thing, entrance, the selection process. Now, talking about the exiting option, as I've already discussed in the previous window, that after 3 years you can take your BBA degree and you can exit if you want to take exit after 3 years. Okay, now quickly I'll be taking you to the window how to fill up that form. I hope all of you guys can see this window. So this is the website we have, IIM Ranchi. You need to go to the IPM program, which is Integrated Program and Management. Once you click on IPM program, you will get this particular window where you have, you need to click on IPM on the left hand side, and you need to scroll down and move to this apply online option. So once you click on click here option, it will take you to the registration page. So this is the registration page for IIM Ranchi. On the top, you will have to mention, have you registered for SAT, yes or no. If you click on no option, it won't go further. You'll have to click on yes, so that you can apply for the IIM Ranchi. So once you click on yes, it will give you the registration page. On the right hand side, you have a registration page where you need to punch in the email ID, the password, and you need to confirm the password. Once you click on get OTP, it will send you a link, the OTP in your registered email ID. You'll have to copy that and to paste it here and click on register. So once you click on register, it will saved in your account, and it will send you a mail for that too. On the left hand side, if you see, you have a login details. You need to punch in the email ID and the password and click on login. Once you click on login, you will get this particular page. I hope this particular page is visible to all of you. On the top left, you will have to punch in the SAT registration number, which you have already filled or earlier, and date of SAT examination. So as I have discussed already, in the month of March you can appear, or you can appear in the month of May. On the lower section, these are the basic information we need to punch in: the name, the country, father name, your email ID, your mother name, the mobile number, and the alternate mobile number. You'll have to punch in the date of birth, your correspondence address, a nationality, Indian and foreign category students can also apply for it. There's no quota as such for the NRI or foreign nationals, but you can apply. State, we need to mention the PIN code number, the gender, and if we are differently abled, yes or no. You can click on that option and move to the next window. So once you click on the next, you will see the academic background information. You need to punch in these information which is mentioned. 10th, you need to select the 10th year of passing. Normally, if you're in 12th standard, your year of passing would be 2019. This is stream. You need to select the stream from where you have a stream. So in 10th, we usually doesn't have any stream, so you can keep that as a blank. School, college, your school or college name, your board, and your percentage in 10th standard. Also, you need to punch in the subjects you had in your 10th standard. Now, on the next option, you have a 12th information. If you have not cleared your 12th, so you will not fill anything. You will not fill the year, stream, nothing you will fill. You will keep this blank, because if you fill it, it will ask for the percentage. So if you are you're in 12th standard, if you are appearing for the 12th boards this year, you don't have to write anything on this window. And on the lower section, you can punch in your extracurricular activities, whatever extracurricular activities you have done in your 10th, 9th, 10th, 11th, or 12th. You can punch in the information there. In total, you can give your you can give your 10 best achievements there, and the level of achievements. So once you fill this information, click on continue. It will take you to the next window where you need to punch in your passport size photograph and your signature. On the left hand side, if you see, the passport size photograph should be of 500 KB, less than 500 KB, 512 KB, and should be in JPG, JPEG, and .png format. Same ways, if you talk about the signature, that's the same thing. It is required 512 KB, .jpg, .jpeg, and .png format. So once you attach your passport size photograph, you need to click on next. So once you click on next, you will get this particular in window where you can cross check each and everything which you have filled, because once we click on confirm, we will not be able to make any further changes. So I have filled my information there. You need to check all the information which you have filled. If there's any correction, you can go to the previous window and correct it. On the lower section, you have the terms and condition. You need to click on this option, I hereby, and the lower option, I agree. Once you click on these options, you need to click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, it will take you to the payment gateway where you can make the payment, and you can register for the I am Ranchi. So they have the payment options for credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI, and EMI options. You can choose any of the desired payment option, and you can fill the form. So this is how we fill up the form. One more important point which I want to discuss: please save your username and password somewhere, because if in case we lose the username and password, we will not be able to give the entrance exams. So for our Pratham students, what we have done, we have created a form wallet in the Pratham account itself, so that all the students can save their username, password, their credentials in their PSI's account itself, so that whenever it is required, they can fetch the details from their portal itself. So we have given this feature to all our Pratham students. They can use it. Also, if you guys still face any problem in filling up the forms, you guys can contact us on the given numbers. I hope all of you can see this window. In every region, we have a different service manager and or the center manager. You can contact us for additional support. So this is how we fill up the form for I am Ranchi. Will be meeting you in the next video, because I am Indore will be coming up soon with their entrance exam form, and I am Rohtak will also will be releasing their entrance exam. Guys, for more updates, you can like, share, and subscribe our Pratham channel. We will be soon creating the video for I am Indore and I am Rohtak as well. Soon they'll be coming up with their entrance exam application form. Thank you and have a nice day.